What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the usernames into your WordPress website. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? To access the WordPress dashboard, please go to the browser address bar, review and enter with your domain name plus WPAdmin or WP login, just like this. Enter with your login credentials and review the left sidebar of menus. Go to users, click on it. Then you're gonna be able to find your site users. As you can see on username, this username has been made using the fixed text test, but username cannot be changed. How to fix it? You have two options to fix this. One is using the database, but is quite complicated. You can broke your site completely. And there is an easier solution. Review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find Search Plugin and type Easy Username Updater, just like this. Click on Install now. Then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. Now, if you review the left sidebar of menus once again and hover mouse over users, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu called Username Updater. We have two usernames, and I can click on update into my test username. New username can be Visualmodo. You can send the user an update about this username change and update the username. Now the username it's called Visualmodo. Simple, right? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And hope you guys enjoyed it. All the best!